Hi guys, this is Sadek from Droidwin.com, and in this video, we'll show you how to pass the SafetyNet test on any Redmi, Poco and Xiaomi phone. So before starting, please take a backup of all the data on your phone just to be on the safer side. And once that is done, let's get started. Do keep in mind that for the sake of reference, I'll be using a Poco F4 phone, which is running the latest version of the Xiaomi EU ROM. It's based on Android 13, MIUI 14, as you can see from here. But the steps are applicable across all the phones which is running the Xiaomi EU ROM. Furthermore, as of now, my phone is rooted. Let me show you my root checker app. As you could see, is rooted. Likewise, I am failing both the tests, which is the basic integrity and CTS profile match test. So if I launch the Yasnak app, you can install the app from Play Store. So launch the Yasnak app, go online and tap on run SafetyNet test. So as you could see, my phone is failing both the basic integrity and CTS profile match test. So our ultimate objective will be to pass both these tests. So on that note, let's get started. First off, you have to hide the Magisk app onto your phone. So for that, launch the Magisk app, then tap on the settings icon at the top right, then tap on hide the Magisk app and enable the toggle next to allow from this source. Then check mark I'm aware of the risk and you'll have to wait for 10 seconds. Once that time frame has elapsed, just you need to tap on OK. So let's do that as well. So once you've done that, now go back and you'll have to give this Magisk app some other name. For the sake of reference, I'll be renaming the Magisk app to Droidwin. You can give it any name of your choice. Once that is done, tap on OK and it will now hide the Magisk app and should only take a few seconds. So now tap on accept and it will now launch the Magisk app and it will ask for the permission. You can tap on allow, then it's asking for the shortcut to the home screen. I don't want the shortcut, so I'll be tapping on cancel. It's completely up to you. So let me show you now. The Magisk app logo has been removed and the app name has been changed to Droidwin, as you can see from here. So with this, we have now hidden the Magisk app. So next up, you now have to install the systemless host. So for that, go to the settings menu and from here, tap on systemless host and the module is now installed onto your phone. To verify the same, go to the Magisk homepage, go to modules. You should now see the systemless host module installed and activated. Once that is done, you now have to enable Zygisk. As you could see, currently it's showing no next to Zygisk, so Zygisk is not enabled. So for that, go to the settings menu on your phone. From here, enable the toggle next to Zygisk. It will ask us to restart our phone. We will not do a restart now. We will do a restart after flashing a module. So go back and now you'll have to flash the SafetyNet Fix module. So let me show you. You have to download that module from my guide. The link is there in the description. So download the module, SafetyNet Fix module, and then place it onto your phone. So as you could see, this is my phone and I placed the module onto my phone. If your phone is not visible over here, then expand the notification section and as of now it should be showing file transfer. Instead of that, it should be showing as your phone is being charging. So make sure to change the charging status to file transfer and your phone will be visible here. Now transfer the SafetyNet Fix module onto your phone. Once you have done the transfer, simply launch the Magisk app, go to module section, tap on install from storage, and now let's select the SafetyNet Fix module. So select this module and it will now be flashed. Once the flashing is done, tap on reboot. So we will now do a reboot after enabling Zygisk and flashing the SafetyNet Fix module. And do keep in mind, in some cases the reboot could take up a few additional seconds. There's nothing to worry about. It's completely normal. So let's wait while our phone is booting up. And after that, we will now be hiding the root from the banking and payment app as well as from a few Google apps and services. So let's now carry out that task as well. So before that, let me now show you the status of Zygisk. So if I now unlock my phone and launch the Magisk app, which in my case is renamed to Droidwin, and as you could see, the status next to Zygisk is yes. So with this, we have enabled Zygisk, and if you go to modules, you should see that we have flashed the Universal SafetyNet Fix module as well. So as of now, you should have both the systemless host and SafetyNet Fix module, and it should be showing yes next to Zygisk. Once that is done, you should now go to the settings menu. From here, enable the toggle next to enforce denial list, then go to configure denial list, and from here you have to hide the root from a few system apps first. So check mark the overflow icon in the top right and select show system app. Now the name of the system apps are as follows. It's the Google Play Service, Google Play Store, Google Service Framework, and if the Google Play Protect Service app is there on your phone, then hide the root from that app as well. This fourth app is only there on some phones. So let's verify the same. So first and foremost, let's hide the root from the first three apps and then we will check if that fourth app is there on a phone or not. So once you have enabled show system app, go to the search bar and let's now search for the Play Service app. So go there and enable it, then expand it and make sure to enable the toggle next to all the services. As you could see, we have enabled all the Play Service toggle. Next up, you have to do so for Google Play Store as well. So let's search for Play Store. Again, check mark it, expand it, and enable the toggle next to all the services. After that, you have to do so for Google Services Framework. So let's search for the Services Framework app as well. So this is the Services Framework app. So again, make sure to enable all its toggle. Finally, you have to search for Google Play Protect service. It will only be there on some phones. So let me see if they are on my phone or not. So let's search for Play Protect service. So as you could see, it's currently not there on my phone. So I don't need to hide the root from that app. If it's there on your phone, then make sure to hide the root from it as well. Once that is done, you now have to hide the root from the banking and payment app of your choice. So do so, and once you have hidden the root, you will now have to remove the data of these apps. So in other words, you have to remove the data of Play Store, Play Service Framework, and if you have done for Play Protect service, then remove the data of this as well. And after that, you have to remove the data of the banking and payment type of your choice. So let's now remove the data. So go to settings menu. From here, you have to go to the app section, then go to manage apps, and from here, go to the overflow icon and check mark show all apps. Now first search for Play Service apps. So just a minute, as you could see, it's a Play Service. So go there, then tap on clear data, then tap on manage space, and tap on clear all data, then tap on OK. After that, search for Google Play Store and do the same for that as well. So let me search for Google Play Store, tap on clear data, tap on clear all data, and tap on OK. Next up, you have to search for Google Service Framework. So let's search for the framework app as well. So go to the Google Service Framework, tap on clear all data, and tap on clear all data, then tap on OK. Likewise, you also have to do for Google Play Protect service if it was there on your phone. In my case, it was not there on my phone, so I'm not doing so. After that, you have to remove the data from the banking and payment app of your choice. That's completely optional, but if you have done so, then please hide the root from that app as well. Then you have to remove its data. Once you have removed the data of all those apps, you will now have to restart your phone. This restart is compulsory, so let's do so right away. So let's wait while the phone is being restarted, and do keep in mind that this reboot could take up a few additional seconds. That's completely normal and nothing to worry about. Once the restart is done, I'll show you an interesting thing as well, and then we'll check out the SafetyNet test result. So our phone is currently booting up. We have just to re-verify, we have just removed the data from all the Google Play Services app, Google Play Store and Google Service Framework, and also you have to remove the data from the banking and payment app of your choice. So once you have done so, let me now show you some interesting things. So now upon every restart, when you launch the Magisk app, then go to the settings menu. So from settings menu, if you go to the configure deny list, then you might notice that the Google Service Framework has been unchecked and the Google Play service is not there in the list. So just to repeat, the service framework has been unchecked as you can see in my case, and the Play service has been missing from the list. So that's just a UI bug and it's nothing to worry about. In the backend, everything is working well and good. So you should simply ignore this bug and move ahead. So with that said, let's now verify the status. For that, I'm using the Yasnac app from Play Store. So download and install this app, and now then go online and now tap on run SafetyNet attestation. So let's now check out the result. So as you could see, we are now passing both the basic integrity as well as CTS profile match. So guys, on that note, I round off this video on how you could pass the SafetyNet test on the Xiaomi EU ROM. The steps were carried out on a Poco F4 running the latest Android 13, and the Xiaomi EU ROM was on MIUI version 14. But the steps are applicable across all the phones and all the versions of Xiaomi EU ROM. So with that in mind, let's round off this video. If you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section. And guys, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks a lot for watching.